everybody. My name is Paul. I want to talk about how to put a D5 smart on manual override. This is what we call the manual override, but if I key it like this, it means I'm putting it in full function. Back and press it. The major reason why the gate is beeping is because there is no electricity. If I do it, so because there is no electricity from the power holding company is in battery saver mode, that's why the speed is a little slower. I'm closing it back, closing it with then put it on pedestrian. This is the pedestrian mode. And we have the caution sign here telling anybody that is trying to come in that there is a warning that this gate is automated and you need to stay safe out of it. It's closed. So now if you make an attempt to use your hand to open the gate now, it can't work. So I want to put it now on manual override. So to put it on manual override, all I just need to do is open the gate. This is the manual override button. Press it like this. Ensure that it's well keyed and close it back and close it. Now I can use my hand to open. It's a little bit different from the Centurion D5 Evo. In Evo, you need to lock it up, but in Smart, you just need to press the manual override. So thank you very much. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name remains Paul Akinolua. On YouTube, just press installer Paul. Thank you.